Hey, how's it going? My name's Michael Johnson. Right, we'll go over the week 6 war game here. All right, so we have our first class starting on line 4. Takes the rank in the suit. Um, that is our first class for cards. Uh, the second class we have here is a deck. It has a function with the ranks and the suits. Um, and then we're gonna loop through. We're gonna do a simple for of loop, which is gonna give us the values, and it's gonna combine them and push them to the card deck. That's how we create our deck. Then we have a shuffle function here. It's gonna take this current index, which is the cards array, and we create two new variables here: temporary value and random value. Perform a while loop while current index is not empty. Just means that we have to have some values. And then we do a math floor, math random times current index, just kind of randomize our array that we receive back. And we have a deal function here, just returns the last card of the function of the array. I apologize. We have a player function here, which takes a name, and it's going to have the score and then also the array for the player's cards. Add card method, going to push the card. Um, then we have a return card method. And we have a game class here. Then we have a method here, deal cards, which is going to take the deck and shuffle it while the deck is not equal to 0. All right. And then just pretty much we have a play around function here. Um, card 1 and card 2 is assigned to the respective players. And then we're just going to console.log out the player's name, the rank of their card, and of their suit, so we can keep track as the game progresses. And then we have a if else statement here. We're going to compare the cards, card 1, card 2, while they're above 0. It's going to tell us who wins the round, and we have this player dot score plus plus. That's going to add a point for every round that a player wins. All right. And let's see here. Okay. All right, and then we have a simple while loop here. Just says while game rounds is less than game max rounds. Yeah. And we're just gonna console.log out some information here. It's gonna tell us who won, game over, um, player one score, player one's name and score, player two's name, score, and here it's just telling us if player one scores higher than player two score, player one wins. Else, player two scores high, player two wins, and it's going to tell us if it's a tie game or not. So that's just when we log out the rank and the suit of both cards. This if else statement is just going to tell us who won, pretty much. Right, and let's see here. I struggled a little bit with writing a test for the shuffle function. With a little bit of help from the internet and reading some articles, this is what I came up with. So sort of uses the structure of the test that we had in our week's videos. But um, right here, I'm going to take that shuffle function and it should shuffle the cards. And I just put in an input array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I want that output uh, to be equal to shuffle with whatever inputs are in there. And I want the output to not be equal to the input. So we know if the output is not equal to the input, then it was shuffled. Yeah, thank you for everything.